Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the player is actually enabled and the system is up to date. Open Programs and Features, turn Windows Media Player on in Windows Features. This restores core components. Once done, check Windows Update and install optional driver updates because codecs and audio drivers often cause errors. Make a system restore point now so you can revert if something breaks. This prevents surprises and gives you a safe baseline before you begin deeper fixes. Next, you tackle corrupt components and codec conflicts. Run the built-in troubleshooters for playing audio and Windows Store apps to auto-fix common settings. They often repair registry pointers. Then re-register key WMP DLLs with regs432 to restore broken COM registrations. This solves playback and library issues. Also clear the codec cache and uninstall third-party codec packs that cause conflicts. If you remove a codec pack, make sure to reboot so Windows rebuilds a clean codec list and tests playback again. To finish, perform a clean reinstall of the feature. Disable Windows Media Player in Windows Features, reboot, then re-enable it to force component restoration. Once back, reset the WMP library by deleting the Media Player database files under local low /Microsoft /Media Player so the library rebuilds without corruption. If errors remain, run SFC and DISM to repair system files. These tools fix deeper OS issues. If nothing works, revert to your restore point, and if needed, contact support with logs for further diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.